If your video ranks in the front page of Google's search engine, that video has a higher chance to go viral. A lot of my students have been asking, how do I get my video to rank in the top front page of Google's search engine? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your video rank on Google's search engine. Now, this video is going to be very practical, so make sure you are very vigilant and watch this video from beginning to the end so that you don't miss out on any step. Like I said, it's going to be a very practical video. Now let's go to Google and let me show you this. So right here on Google, just type in like so, how to make money online chatting with lonely people. This is it right here. Just click on it. So right here, we have some videos right here. Let's take a look at it. No, let's scroll back to the top and go to videos, just like so. Now, these are the videos right here. And if you take a closer look, you're going to see this video, 9 secret websites and apps to make $100 daily. All right. And this is from my channel, Claudia from Good TV, not this channel, another channel that I have. And if you see the second one right here, make money chatting with lonely people online. Now, this video is 2 days old and is already on the front page on Google's search engine. So we've taken the first example, right? Let's take the second example. Like I said, this is going to be a very practical example. Now, right here on Google, let's type in how to make $2,000 a day. Let's put $2,000 a day sending emails. Now we click on it just like so. Right here we have all, but I want us to go to videos. Let's click on videos right here and we scroll through. As you can see right here, how to make $2,000 a day by sending email. And this is also another video from my channel. If you can see the image right there, those of you that have been watching this channel, you know it's me, right? So that is one of my video and you can see other people's videos. Now, let me keep this phone down. Google is the highest search engine in the world. So whatever people are struggling to search from the online space, majority of them would definitely go to Google before going to YouTube, which is the second, and then to any other social media platform. Meaning, if your video can rank at the front page or on the front page of Google's search engine, then that particular video has a higher chance to go viral. Any of my videos that have actually made it to the front page or to the first page of Google's search engine has given me a lot of money. These are just two examples that I've given you. As you can see, a lot of people are there. How do you get your video to rank on the front page of Google's search engine is the question right now that a lot of you have been asking, and by the end of this video, you would know how to rank your video on Google's search engine. And if your video is ranking in the front page of Google's search engine, that same video will be ranking in the front page of YouTube's search engine. Now, let me take you to how you can do this. Embedding is a powerful way for you to rank your video in the first page of Google's search engine. Now, let me show you how you can do this. We're going to be using our smartphone for this illustration because I know a lot of you are using your smartphone to create your content, to edit and do a lot, all right? So right here on search on Google, let's type in YouTube desktop site Chrome, just like so. We want to use the YouTube Studio version on the phone. So right here, you click on continue to studio, just like so. Now, let me get out of this channel. Just give me a minute. I have a lot of accounts I'm managing. So let's go to this one right here. Let's go to video. To the content we have on this channel, I want to take this first example. Let's click right here to edit. Now, right here, let's scroll below to where you see show more. Right here on show more, click on it, and then you scroll down. Just keep scrolling. You're going to see embedding, right? Okay, this is it we have right here. Allow embedding, and the next thing is to publish to subscriptions feeds and notify subscribers. Now, for you to allow embedding, you have to click on it just like it is right here. But if you don't want to, you can click on out and you click on save. But we want to allow embedding. It's as simple as this. Now, what does this do with your videos? What happens is this. It's actually giving YouTube the access to embed your videos to blog posts, to other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Medium, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and all that. When somebody puts up a blog post that is talking about the same kind of topic that you've enabled embedding, YouTube is going to link your video to that blog post or to that website or to that app, Facebook, that social media platform, so that it gives a broader opportunity for your videos to be seen by other people. Now, when people write blog posts on Google, on other social media platforms, Google now links your video or embeds your video to those videos or those websites or those blog posts. So this gives access and even to other content creators, to other bloggers to actually embed your videos with their blog post or with a playlist. Now, let's take a look again at this embedding. Let me show you something practical, all right? Right here, you will see a question mark. Just click on it just like so. Allow others to embed your videos in their site. All right, just what I talked about. Other people can actually embed your videos to their website, to their blog posts, to their social media platforms, or Google and YouTube can also do that. Let's click right here on learn more because you can also embed your videos to a playlist. I want to show you exactly so that you will not doubt what I'm telling you. So click right here on learn more. Now listen to this. Embed video and playlist. You can add a YouTube video or playlist to a website or a blog by embedding it. If you are an educator, get in touch with your educational technology platform for info on how to embed your YouTube content for your classes. So you can also embed this as a playlist on an educational platform. So whatever educational platform you are on, find out on that educational platform how you can embed your YouTube videos right there. This will give you visibility from that platform into your YouTube channel. Amazing, right? So you can actually embed your YouTube videos on your website, on your blog posts, on other social media platforms. Now, let me show you how you can do this on any other platform that you want to. Now, let's go right here to the laptop. Right here, you can select on your channel, you can select either a playlist or a video. Now, right here, this is a video on my channel. All I have to do is to come right here where I see share. I click on share just like so. And right here where I have different platforms that I can share this video to, click right here on embed. Now, when you've clicked on embed, this is going to happen to that video. Now, what you have to do right here is to copy this HTML that has appeared right here. All right, just click on copy just like so. All right, and you copy. Easy busy. Now, when you're done copying, you can now take that HTML to the website or the blog post and you embed it to that. Easy busy. So people can be redirected from that platform or that website or that blog post directly into your YouTube video to watch more. You can either embed a video or a playlist. I'm going to show you the two, right? So this is the playlist right here. What you do is do the same thing you did with the video. You just click on share, you click on embed right here, and then you copy the link you see right here. Just click on it just like so. Sorry about that. Let's click out and do it again. Okay, we have it there, and you click on copy. You are good to go. I don't know whatever platform, whatever website or blog post you want to embed your videos to, but this is very important because it gives that video a wider space where people can actually see what you can do. So if you actually embed this to Facebook, to LinkedIn, to Medium, or to a website that you've created, then the people who go on your website will have an opportunity to be redirected to that video on YouTube and to watch it. Now, thank you also very much for watching this video up to this moment. Please implement the strategy and let me know how it works out for you. It's working for me massively. As you guys could see, the two examples I gave you on the videos or the titles that I typed on Google are videos that I embedded, and I got massive results from that. So do it and come back to the comment section and let me know how far with the growth of that video and your channel. If you've watched me up to this moment and you have not yet clicked on that like, please give me the thumbs up. You subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and do not forget, whatever question you have, if you're stuck somewhere, I'm right here to support you. And please do not forget, if you're new on this channel, go down to the comment section and connect with every content creator you see right there. That is how we do to grow on this channel. We are connected, right? And we want to help each other grow. And this is how we connect. Watch at least 3 of their videos from beginning to end. You comment, you like, and you subscribe. When you do that, if you do that to 100 content creators, 100 will return the favor. And when you're done, join us on our WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, or our Instagram channel. The links are all below. These channels are made up of content creators that are aggressive to grow. So we're waiting for you to support you as well as you support us to grow. Please do not miss out on our next video. We're going to be expatiating on the different strategies you can use to make sure that your video ranks on the first page of Google's search engine. And we still have 9 more to go. Still your girl, Claudia, right here. Peace out and see you in a bit. Bye-bye.